My room is a mess. My name is Sam. I am 16 years old. I live in a small house. I have my own room. My room is a mess. My room is not clean. Clothes are on the floor. Books are on the bed. Shoes are near the door. Everything is everywhere. There is a bed in my room. There is a desk near the window. There is a chair by the desk. There is a lamp on the desk. There is a small table. The bed is not tidy. The blanket is on the floor. The pillow is under the bed. My jacket is on the chair. My bag is on the bed. There are many books. Some books are open. Some books are closed. There are papers on the desk. There are pens everywhere. There is a cup on the desk. The cup is not clean. There is water in the cup. There is a plate on the table. The plate is dirty. My mother opens the door. She looks at my room. She looks at the floor. She looks at the bed. She is not happy. She says, "Clean your room." I say, "Okay, Mom." I look at the mess. I sit on the bed. I do not move. I look at my phone. I watch a short video. I send a message. I laugh at a picture. I do not clean. My mother comes again. She stands at the door. She looks at me. She looks at the room. She says nothing. I stand up slowly. I look at the floor. I pick up a shirt. I put it on the bed. I pick up my pants. I put the pants in the closet. I open the closet door. The closet is full. Clothes fall down. I look at the clothes. I take some clothes out. I fold a blue shirt. I fold a white shirt. I fold black pants. I put them inside. I pick up my shoes. One shoe is under the bed. One shoe is near the door. I put the shoes together. I put them in the corner. I look at my desk. There are many papers. I take the papers. I put them in my bag. The desk is still messy. I see many pens. Some pens are on the floor. Some pens are on the chair. I pick up the pens. I put them in a box. There is dust on the desk. I take a cloth. I clean the desk. I clean the table. I clean the chair. I look at the bed. Books are still there. I take the books. I put them on the shelf. The shelf is small. The books are not straight. I move the books. I put big books first. I put small books next. Now they look better. I look under the bed. There is a sock. There is a paper. There is a toy car. I take them out. I put the sock in the basket. I put the paper in the trash. I put the toy on the shelf. I look again under the bed. Now it is empty. I open the window. The air comes inside. The room feels fresh. The curtain moves slowly. The sun shines in. I take the trash bag. I put bottles inside. I put old papers inside. I close the bag. I take it outside. I come back to my room. The floor is more clean. The desk is more clean. The bed looks better. The room is not perfect. I see my backpack. It is on the chair. I open the backpack. There are books inside. There are old papers too. I take the old papers. I put them in the trash. I close the backpack. I put it near the desk. Now it is ready for school. I look at the mirror. The mirror is dirty. There are small marks. I take the cloth again. I clean the mirror. Now the mirror is clear. I see my face. I smile at my face. I look around my room. It looks much better. My mother comes again. She looks at the floor. She looks at the bed. She looks at the desk. She smiles at me. She says, "Good job." I feel happy. I sit on my bed. The bed is clean now. The blanket is straight. I lie on the bed. I look at the ceiling. The room is quiet. There are no clothes outside. There are no papers on the floor. I stand up again. I check the floor. I check the desk. I check the shelf. Everything is in place. Now my room is clean. Now my room is tidy. There is space on the floor. There is space on the desk. I like my room now. Tomorrow it can be messy again, but today it is clean. I close the window. I turn off the light. I leave my room. This is my room. It is small but nice. It is clean now. There is no mess. I am ready for tomorrow. Thank you for listening. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you like the video.